Heart chakra activation. She is love, sweetest affirmation. She is that amazing. Praise God for this life, it was calculated. Still stepping in faith. Dedication and pace. Job blessing the way. I'm protected by grace. Through every lesson I face, I praise God every step of the way. It's just me and my beloved. Still hustling. Still effing up these commas. Still flexing.
He had to change his shoes off. He cleaning that ball. Look, I'm like, okay. That ain't gonna do nothing. That ain't gonna do nothing.
Yeah, we know. She got other stuff. You can tell me what he said.
What you say?
Come on down and try with the boy. He told me that. Let me tell you that. Yeah, you tell the truth. You didn't say that. You say it. Go and say it. Yeah, I'm coming down and try with the boy. I was broke like that.
Okay, first one.
You know I'm gonna talk shit now. Hey, Dre, we got ESPN up in the recording. ESPN up in the
What I tell you? What I tell you?
That was a hot flush, though, but good shot. Oh, yeah.
You can't even deny that one.
You can't come back out here no more. You want to shine in. I hope your battery go dead.
That's a hater.
Oh, that battery tired real fast.
So I gotta see if you're gonna do your pickup.
Yeah, get that ESPN. Got ESPN? That's right. Get that one ESPN.
You just better make sure you get yours. That's all. You stepped in the bag. I got it. I got it for you.
Good pickup, Bree.
That was a good pickup. So y'all, we just came from bowling. My hubby did his thing. He didn't feel like he bowled his best.
But you still did good. You ain't bowled okay, so what was it compared to last week? Last week, what were you at? You bowled to what? Y'all did 3 games?
Yeah, I didn't bowl the highest like I normally bowl.
Last week, that was the highest.
240, yeah, that's the highest I bowled last
248. But then this week you did what? 180?
185.
What made you think, what was the difference, you think?
Rain.
Oh, because y'all go, why y'all go to different ones?
It's the oil, it's different patterns.
Oh, okay. It was too oily.
Too dry.
But no, you said you was changing up some stuff too.
I was trying to, yeah.
You think that was it?
Yeah. You always gotta adjust. I adjusted in the last game. I did adjust.
Oh, okay. But you was getting, like that first game, you did real good. Oh, you can see? That first game, you did really good on that first game. You got a lot of strikes and you picked up, didn't you pick up all your frames? Didn't you do all of them? Or just for one? Oh, I had a good time. I needed to get out that house because I already know I was starting to like, you know, it's just something I needed. I was like, I'm going to go bowling with you tonight because I know you had told me last week. He was like, you want to go? And I just wanted to sit in the house. And I was like, not this week. Damn, I missed that call. Oh, today Thursday? Hubby wanted some hibachi, so we stopping at Mr. PJ's. We in the house, but we had an amazing day. Today was so good. I remember back when we first met 27 years ago. We used to always go bowling. That was like one of our dates that we went on. And my husband loved bowling. He been bowling. Like he used to be in the bowling league like a few years back. And we used to go to Vegas. So that was really fun. And once the kids got older and started to be like in sports and things like that, we kind of got away from it. And he wasn't really able to do the bowling tournaments. And so now him and a few of like the people that he worked with and stuff, they all go bowling on Thursdays. And so last week he asked me that I wanted to go. And I was like, no, I'm good. I'm staying in the house. I got work to do. And so today, because I forget about it too sometimes. And so today when he was like, I was like, what you doing? He's like, I'm getting dressed. And he's like, I'm about to get ready to go bowling. And I was like, you know what? I'm going to go with you. And I'm so glad that I did that because I had a really good time. Like, it just brought back so many memories. You know, I was recording him while he was bowling. One of his coworkers was talking. He the one that talked shit. So he was talking shit like, yeah, see, what he was saying, CNN. Y'all heard it on the video. He was talking stuff. But we had a really, really, really good time. So good night. I'm finna go to bed and get ready for my clients tomorrow. And I will see y'all later.